Starting a commercial chili farming business is very easy and simple, just like other crop farming businesses. Chili plants are very strong and hardy, and they require less care and other management. You can start this business easily, even if you are a beginner. Although we recommend having training first before starting, here we are trying to describe more about the steps of starting and operating a successful chili farming business, from planting, caring, harvesting, and marketing. Chili plants can be grown in a range of soils. But black soils, which retain moisture for long periods, are suitable for rain-fed crops, whereas well-drained soils, deltaic soils, and sandy loams are good under irrigated conditions. The chili crop prefers a soil reaction ranging from pH 6 to 7. You have to prepare the land perfectly for growing chilies. The chili plants can be grown in all types of soft soils, but sandy, loam, clay loam, and loam soils are best suited for them. The soil must be well drained and well aerated. Acidic soils are not suitable for chili farming businesses. Prepare the land by giving 2 to 3 plowings and clod crushing after each plowing. Add an adequate amount of compost or farmyard manure while preparing the land. Add 15 to 20 tons of compost or FIM per acre and mix well in the soil at least 12 to 20 days before sowing or planting transplants. At the last plowing, O.H.C. at the rate of 8 to 10 kg per acre of aldrin or heftaff at the rate of 10 to 15 kg per acre should be applied to the soil to protect it from white ants and other soil pests. The chili is actually a plant of tropical and subtropical regions. It grows well in a warm and humid climate with a temperature range between 20 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. Low moisture in the soil causes the buds, deblossoms, and fruit drops to drop during blossom development and fruit formation. Excessive rainfall is detrimental to crops because it brings about defoliation and the rotting of the plants. As a rain crop, chilies are grown in areas receiving annual precipitation of 25 to 30 inches. There are numerous varieties or cultivars available throughout the world. You can choose any variety, depending on its availability in your area. Consult with some of your local farmers. The chili plants are propagated by seeds, and the seeds are highly available in almost every local market. You can easily buy from your local market. Planting of chili can be done either by transplanting or by direct sowing of seeds. Planting of chili can be done either by transplanting or by direct sowing of seeds. Plants or seedlings that are 40 to 45 days old are used for transplantation. Use a row to row spacing of 75 cm and a plant to plant spacing of 45 cm. Direct sowing is practiced under rainy conditions. The seeds are drilled by the end of March or the first week of April for direct sown crops. The seed rate is 2.5 to 3.0 kg per acre. Thinning and gap filling are done on a cloudy day and after 30 to 40 days of sowing. The chili plants generally require less care and other management. Although taking additional care will help the plants grow well and produce more, here we are trying to describe more about the caring process of chili plants. Apply nitrogen at the rate of 25 kg in the form of urea nitrogen at the rate of 55 kg/acre, phosphorus nitrogen at the rate of 12 kg in the form of single superphosphate nitrogen at the rate of 75 kg, and potash nitrogen at the rate of 12 kg in the form of MOP, more of potash, nitrogen at the rate of 20 kg/acre. Apply a half dose of nitrogen and a full dose of phosphorus and potassium at the time of transplanting. Apply the remaining amount of nitrogen after first picking. Chili plants can't withstand heavy moisture, so apply irrigation only when needed. Heavy irrigation causes lanky vegetative growth and flower drops. The number of irrigations and intervals of irrigation depend on the soil and climatic conditions. If plants show dropping at 4 p.m., it is an indication that the plant needs irrigation. Mulching helps to retain moisture in the soil, and it also helps to prevent weeds. Use organic materials for mulching. Common pests of the chili plants are fruit borer, mite, aphid, whitefly, etc. And common diseases of the chili plants are powdery mildew, thrips, dieback and fruit rot, wilt and damping off, anthracnose, bacterial leaf spot, yellow mosaic, etc. You can start harvesting either green or ripened chilies, depending on market demand and value. To increase the number of pickings, spray urea at a rate of 10 g/L and soluble K at a rate of 10 g/L, 1% solution each, with a 15-day interval during harvesting time. For canning purposes, they are harvested when the fruits are red. Chili used for drying purposes is harvested at the full ripe stage. It's not possible to tell the exact number because the total yield varies according to the system of cultivation. The yield of dry chilies in the rain-fed crop is between 200 and 400 kilograms, and that of the irrigated crop is 600 to 1000 kilograms per acre. This is the most important part of the commercial chili farming business. You won't be able to make good profits if you can't market your products properly. So, determine your marketing strategies before starting this business. Both demand and value of chilies are very high in the market. So, you will be able to sell your products easily in the local market. These are the common steps and ways to start and operate a successful chili farming business. I hope this guide has helped you.